Hello and welcome for an online study of fundamentals of anthropometry. Dear students, I have discussed in detail on chapter 1 based on introduction to anthropometry and definition of anthropometry. We will deal with chapter 2. Chapter 2 is based on basics of anthropometry. Myself, Professor Dr. R.P. D'Souza. In today's first session A, we will discuss about the nutritional assessment, importance for nutritional assessment. This chapter deals with an overview of anthropometry and its importance for nutritional assessment. This is to explain the key concepts of nutritional assessment. Why does nutrition matters? What are common uses of anthropometry? Commonly used anthropometric devices, measurements and indices, and finally anthropometric interpretation at individual level. Well, why does nutrition matters? A good health, good growth, good development and economic well-being of all individuals and populations is dependent on proper nutrition. When an individual has inadequate or excessive or imbalanced food intake that is not recommended as per his or her nutritional needs, the arising condition is termed as malnutrition. Malnutrition means bad nutrition. Nutritional aspect is why of much importance in anthropometric assessments. Well, here you can see an image of nutrition. Nutrition of different people or different cultures, it differs from culture to culture, but it has to be a balanced diet. Balanced diet in itself is a separate chapter in human physiology, where you will have to study the food components and the balanced diet. The balanced diet is related to anthropometry in terms of nutrition, because we assess the anthropometric measurements based on balanced diet effects. Balanced diet, grossly it is divided into 4 components. The major component 40% is fruits and vegetables, but we need more protein, fats and carbohydrates. The 25% requirement of carbohydrates, 25% requirement of proteins, and finally we require less fats of about 10%. This makes a balanced diet of an individual. This image will explain you all about a balanced diet required for fit, nutritionally healthy person. Now, what is malnutrition? Basically, malnutrition is a serious public health issue. It contributes to high rates of maternal and child illness and mortality. The child mortality and maternal mortality with different illnesses are caused by malnutrition rather than other causes of such illnesses. The malnourished individuals are less likely to achieve their full potential in terms of education, economic productivity. Therefore, they earn less income than well nourished peers of their same age, making it difficult to break the cycle of poverty. If the society or any country is poor, we say by poverty, the main reason is malnutrition. According to World Bank data, if a high proportion of a country is malnourished, it may affect the GDP of that country. And GDP means gross domestic product, and it affects by as much as 3%. So much of importance is there for nutrition. Hence, especially in a country like our India, addressing the malnutrition is essential to promote development, and measuring nutritional status is crucial to identifying individuals who need nutritional care and support. Then and then only the GDP of our country will rise. Nutrition has got many roles to play. There are many factors which affect the nutrition. Hunger, famine, or children who starvation, even education, homeless children. There are many factors which are responsible for malnutrition in any country. Here in this image you can see three major effects of malnutrition. Basically, 1 in 3 people all over the world, they are affected by malnutrition, and they come in different shapes and sizes. Basically, 3 effects we see. One is stunting, other is wasting, and the third one is obesity. A person too short for the age is termed as stunting, and a person who is too thin for the height, that is called as